Hello all of you. Today the marketing software channel is back to share with everyone a software that helps you send mass messages on the Instagram platform. That is the Insta marketing software. About the software interface. When I want to use the bulk message sending feature, I go to the Instagram interactions section. I went to select the send mass message option. To send mass messages, I need to prepare three things. The first one is the list of accounts I want to send to. This category can be a list of account, usernames, or personal Instagram links. The second is the content I need to send. Finally, there are the accounts that I want to use to send messages to. First is the category of accounts I want to send messages to. The software has the ability to support scanning to lists. That is data scanning, for example. I want to scan the follower data of any account. I just need to enter the account to scan here. Then I choose an account I'm logged into here. Then I press start to let it scan. Once the software is working, it will scan out the list of accounts that are following the account you request to scan out. Once I have a follow account, I copy the username in bulk. I switch to texting. Message the account directory. Now I just need to enter the account list here to complete requirement number 1. The next section is to send a message after you have the accounts you need. Then I need to have the content to send the message. I go to this section and enter the content here to load it. There is currently no content available. I will go to this content manager section. Then I add a new content. I can attach pictures as well. I can edit a lot of content. And I can add more content at the same time. Each content can be accompanied by an image. Then I click save. Once you have saved it, the content will exist in the software. This completes requirement number 2. The last requirement is the list of Instagram accounts that I own and have been selected to send messages. I choose the account save category and select the accounts to use. So 3 steps have been completed. I click start to let it start. The software will start automatically sending messages to each person one by one. When the software starts working, it will open a series of Instagram accounts. Let it take the content you have selected, then send the message to the destination you request. The software will continue to operate like this until I run out of accounts. You guys watch together. If you are interested, please contact me with the information below the video. I have information right on the YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.